Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see it has many holes and two ribs, two interesting ribs. The drawing is here. Name valve support. Here is a sloped line, as you can see, 13, 23, 3, and this is marked by this point. We create firstly this section or face in the middle of the part. Let's go. New standard millimeters IPT, start sketch, XY plane, and drawing. Line, 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 sloped line, and back, close. This is 15, and everything was scaled. Then I want you to be sure about these dimensions. We have this face 3 millimeters from this face to this face, parallel the two. 23 is the distance to this center, and the radius is 8. So we'll apply 23 plus 3 to this center. Yes, and 13 comes from this point is placed at 13 plus 3 from this face. We start with this face, not with this. Okay, fillet radius 8 between these two. Then dimension here of 23 plus 3. Here is the value of 13 plus 3. Other dimensions are this one, which is 200, and the other one, which is 106. Finish sketch. Let's see what is the dimension. The dimension is this one. We'll add to 92. This is 80, and I want to create all this contour. Extrude, center, 80. And we have the first volume. Next is this cut. You see 36 is the width, and we have 3 millimeters here, and radius 23. The arc is tangent to the upper line. Let's do this. The plane is XY, F7, line from this bottom line to up. Keep press the left button and go up to here. Then apply tangent between these two lines. I project this line and I draw this tiny line. It is not necessary because this was already selected, but let's respect everything. Extrude, symmetrical, 36. Not join, but cut. Okay, you see the result. Now we create this contour, you see, which is symmetrical about this axis. Dimensions 85, 70, 85, radius 12, and fillets radius 6 and radius 8 at the end. Okay, this is the face. We draw 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. I dimension this one with the radius 12. All of them are equal. 1, 1. Second, second. Third. This is horizontal with this, this with this, and vertical this 2 and this 2. I draw a line here, a construction line, placing the midpoint on the same horizontal with the center point. Now distances. This is 85 and this is 70 and the line is 85. Then we draw a line to here and another one here. And other two. I trim this and this. I draw lines here and here. This dimension is 92 and these lines must be equal since they must be symmetrical. we have a fully constrained sketch. We apply fillets of 6 between each corner as you can see. And we don't place here fillets, but we'll do this after. Finish sketch, extrude, we extrude this, this, and all this to the other direction as a join to this face. Okay, now we create a new extrusion by selecting this face and applying extrude to this face. Okay, mirror of this last feature about the XY plane. Okay, yes, we continue with placing some cylinders on this face. You can see them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot to place dimensions. This is diameter of 32. I place it here. This is also 32. This is 46. And this is 55. I don't change the drawings when I forgot some dimensions, because we can use all of them step by step when I present procedures and modeling. This is why I also don't apply verification of the volume, because what you see is what you get. Yes, you see what we make step by step, and you know what you get. Dimensions, the placement are here: 59, 105, 167. Diameters, you know, and this distance is also missing from this center to this center. The dimension is 44, and I have to move this projection a little in order to have space for this new dimension. More than this. Okay. Sketch, circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are placed on the same horizontal, these two, and the same horizontal with the center point. Vertical between these two. Now I can draw that line. I make it construction. I place its center point on this horizontal with a center point. This dimension is 44, as you know. These two dimensions are equal to diameters. 32. This is 46, and this is 55. Distances to the centers or to this line are 59, 105, and 167. Good. Finished sketch. What is the height? The height is 35 from this face. We have to subtract 13. Extrude 1, 2, 3, 4 on 35 minus 15 minus 13. Okay. Next are these ribs with dimensions here. Radius 30, placed at 38 from this face, and 2 millimeters from this line, so that this is twice radius 5. Nobody is perfect, my friends. Other thing is interesting. This is tangent to this. Yes, we can see this here. Tangent with the cylinder, and the thickness is 8. All these ribs. Good. I create a new plane based on this and tangent to this. You see? It is tangent. For a sketch, F7, I draw a circle with the center somewhere here and a radius of 30, distance of 38, and here is 2. I project this plane, this face, I trim the button. I draw a line from this center point to down, and I apply trim again. We can also apply split and place all this as construction. We have a fully constrained sketch, and we apply extrude to the other direction, join at 8 millimeters. Okay. Now the holes. As you can see, gauze 3/8 of an inch, gauze 1/2 of an inch, this is 1 inch, and this is 1¼ inch. Let's apply this 4 holes. Hole, threaded, pipe threads. I select this with this center, and I go to 16. This is 3/8. It is through all and full depth threading, plus this face, this center, and 20 is gauze 1/2 an inch, plus this face, this center, 33. This is gauze 1 inch, and the last, this face, this center, is the other one, 41, is gauze 1¼ Okay, these holes now, they are 4 holes. This diameter is 14, and I place 4. Another missing dimension, I know. This is my fault again. Face, I change points here because they are all at the same dimension. I change them to this solution, which is center point. Why? Because now I apply hole, and we have 4 holes at once, through and 14. Okay, we see here a hole with an end, 25 on 8, and a fillet of radius 3. You see, this is the same for both holes, which are not the same. This is 3/8 of an inch, and this is 1/2 of an inch. Okay, then we apply hole, not threaded, at a distance with the flat end. This is the face, this is the center. The diameter is 25. Not 4. And the depth is 8. Good. Plus this face, this hole, same data. Okay. This is radius 3 to both. Okay. The other holes are here. Or here. 4 of 16, 32, 58, 64. We turn this to have the face here. I draw a rectangle with dimensions 64 tab 58. This distance is 32, and on the same vertical is this point with the center point. Finish sketch, hole, not important the end, because this is through. Diameter of 16, and they are placed on the corners of the rectangle. Okay, now you see this must be mirrored here. Let's do this. Where is the last extrusion? This is mirror, and the plane is XY. Okay, there are also other ribs, and we see them here. 1, 2, 3, all of them of 8 millimeters. This is also tangent here, and this is centered on the axis. I select this face, F7. I draw a tangent line from this point, horizontal to the circle. Then another one is here. I don't apply mirror for this small lines. These are equal to be symmetrical. The distance is 8 all over. 8. Also 8. Also 8 taken from here. Okay. Finish sketch. What is the height? The height is 35 minus 13 minus 2. Yes? This is 2 millimeters. Extrude 1, 2, 3, 35 minus 13 minus 2. Okay. I apply fillet of 6 on this edge and this edge, plus 8 for the two ends. Okay, other fillets are right here, 5 millimeters, also 5 millimeters, all this internal, external, but also 5 is here. Good. So this is 5, and we continue at each rib for many times. A lot of fillets of 5. Plus now the 2 millimeters all over. This is 1, this is 2, this is also 2, and here this edge and these two edges. Okay, I hope I placed all of them. We see here. Very good. Material. Material is steel carbon, and the color is red, general color, but we select faces to be machined. All of this, and also this too, but I still forgot something. This is steel polished. I forgot the chamfers. The chamfers are 1 at 45, 1.5, 1.5 at 45. This is one chamfer of 1, then 2, not 2, 1.5, 1.5 to this 2. Okay, and I like to make this, not this face, shift pressed this face, I keep pressed shift to apply also steel polished. If you like, you can select shade it here or in the tools for the future use of this part. Yes, without lines, edges. the difference is in the light, nothing else. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.